Hello everybody, my name is James Turnipseed. If you're new here, feel free to click that subscribe button. Trying to grow and build and be super awesome. You read it, you guessed it. It's another unsponsored Nature Box unboxing. This might be my last one. And it's not because they don't sponsor me or nothing. It's just proving less and less. I have no idea what's in this, so it's more like, hey, is this really worth my 20 bucks, you know? Kind of, but not really, you know, kind of, so this was in it. There we go. That's all the tasty snacks and treats. So what did we get? That's kind of cool. I do like these. We got a surprise, free little, Parmesan garlic pop thing, which are kind of a mix between popcorn and corn nuts, actually. Jesus. See? Oh, it's kind of half popcorn and half corn nuts. See? So closer look, have popcorn. I like them. They're tasty. What else we got in here? We got some Kung Pao pretzels. Chinese food up here is terrible, so little pretzel squares. I'm more of a stick person, but that tastes just like a pretzel with the little kick. Let me get those out of the way. Lemon tea biscuits, like we're British folks. I believe that's what they call actual biscuits, not tea biscuits, in that side of the world, pretty sure, instead of like American style biscuits. See, they're just little cookies, and like you dip them in your tea, because they're crunchy. Yep, that tastes like a lemon. I know this is a popular thing right now, sriracha. Sriracha cashews, but I like spicy, but kind of not my thing, you know? Like, sriracha everything, you must have it. It's like fucking Starbucks and their pumpkin spice. That's really crunchy for a cashew. Oh, cashew crunch. That's what okay. Has a little spicy kick at the end, but nothing super special to write home about. Santa Fe corn sticks. So far, the only thing I've ever had was the garlic Parmesan pops. You could go through my thing. That has a little kick to it. Hard to say, but pretty tasty. And then we got a sweet and salty nut melody, which is a nice way of saying mix, but you can tell how much is in there. Nuts are expensive everywhere. Trader Joe's is usually got the best deal. So what do they got in here? They didn't even say what the fuck is in it. We got some cashews, almonds. Where's the sweet? little Brazil nuts. They also look very salty. Oh, they have like a honey coating, so that's the sweet. Yeah, that's 5. Like I said, not sponsored, so I don't got no code for you. Might be the last one. We'll see. Probably one next month as well, but we'll see. Because I'll probably forget to cancel. But that's it. I'm out. Hit me up with that subscribe, comment it. Let me know. You buy shit like this or what?